Hello everyone, I am Brian James. Welcome to Trendwave News TV, your go-to source for in-depth news coverage. Today, we're diving into a pressing issue affecting thousands, green card holders and international travel under Donald Trump's presidency. Many permanent residents have been asking, can I travel safely? Are there risks involved? Well, tonight, we uncover the shocking realities of travel restrictions, legal risks, and the hidden challenges that every green card holder must know before booking that flight. Stay tuned, because this information could mean the difference between smooth re-entry and being stuck abroad. Let us revisit the controversial travel ban that shocked the world. Let's rewind to 2017. In his first weeks as president, Donald Trump announced a highly controversial Muslim ban. This executive order restricted travel from several Muslim-majority countries, including Iran, Libya, Somalia, Syria, and Yemen. Shockingly, this ban didn't just affect visa holders or new applicants, it even impacted permanent residents. Green card holders from these countries were denied re-entry and sent back to their home countries. Can you imagine living in the US for years, only to be stopped at the airport and told you couldn't return? As expected, legal battles erupted. Within days, a US District Court judge overturned the ban for green card holders, ruling that they had an absolute right to re-enter. But this case was more than just a legal fight. It set a dangerous precedent. It showed that, under Trump, even permanent residency wasn't as permanent as people thought. Can you be denied re-entry even with a green card? Now, let's address a major question. Can you, as a green card holder, still be denied re-entry? The answer is yes, under certain circumstances. Even though the court protected the rights of green card holders, there are still several ways you can face trouble at the border. Let's break it down. Is a criminal history a one-way ticket to deportation? One of the biggest reasons a green card holder can be stopped at the airport: a criminal record. Certain crimes can make you either deportable or inadmissible. Deportable offenses include crimes like drug trafficking, aggravated felonies, and crimes of moral turpitude. If flagged, you could be placed in deportation proceedings. Inadmissible offenses are trickier. These won't always trigger deportation, but if you leave the US and try to return, you could be denied entry. Imagine arriving at the airport thinking you're heading home, only to be taken into secondary inspection. Or you're questioned about a past charge, maybe something that was dismissed years ago. You explain, but the officer isn't convinced. Suddenly, you're given two choices: sign Form I-407, voluntarily abandoning your green card, or face deportation proceedings. What would you do? Tip: never sign Form Y-407 without talking to an immigration attorney first. Once you sign, you may never be able to get your green card back. Let us now look at the time trap. How long can you stay outside the US? Another major risk: staying outside the US too long. Let's be clear, leaving for more than 6 months can delay your naturalization process. But the real danger comes if you stay outside for over a year. 6 months to 1 year. Border officers may question if you've abandoned your residency. Over 1 year, you're presumed to have abandoned your green card. Re-entry becomes extremely difficult. However, there are exceptions. If you left due to a medical emergency, a pandemic lockdown, or unforeseen circumstances, you may still be allowed back. But be prepared for questioning and possible legal hurdles. What then is the tourist trap? Are you really a resident? Green card holders must reside in the US. But what if you spend most of your time abroad? Some people think they can keep their green card while living elsewhere, as long as they return every few months. Wrong. If you're spending only 1 to 2 months a year in the US, border officers may suspect you're using your green card as a tourist visa. They'll ask, where do you work? Where is your home? Where do you receive mail and pay taxes? Where do you keep your financial assets? If they determine you're not truly residing in the US, your green card could be revoked. So, can green card holders travel freely? Yes, but with caution. Trump's policies showed how easily rights can be challenged. If you have a green card, travel smart. Avoid long absences. Keep strong US ties. Never sign Form Y-407 without legal advice. Stay updated on immigration policies. To stay ahead of immigration changes, subscribe to Trendwave News TV now. Drop a comment below. Have you or someone you know faced travel issues as a green card holder? Let's get the conversation started. Also, click on this link to watch a related video and check out the links in the description for exclusive products and resources that will help you navigate your immigration journey. See you in the next report.